Hey, need a few more recipes for your weekend cookouts? If so, Family Fare is going to show you a couple of their favorites. Welcome back. Family and food are sure to be on the schedule for the 4th of July weekend.
And if you're looking to spend more time with family and friends and not so much on making the food, Family Fare has a few recipes you might want to check out. The 4th of July this year is on a Saturday. You're not going to want to spend any time over a hot grill or stove cooking or all that time prepping. Good news is you don't need to. At Family Fare, they've got great recipes waiting for you that'll save you all that time so you can spend it with the family. Jessica and Brooke, two hard-working moms, have got these great recipes they're about to share with us now.
Thanks, Todd. Yes, we're gonna show you how to make Hawaiian barbecue sliders, a fruit salsa, and a crispy roll-up for dessert. So let's get started with the sliders. This holiday is all about convenience. So I have pre-shredded rotisserie chicken from the deli, and I'm going to mix in our family barbecue sauce, a little bit of pineapple juice from the canned pineapple slices that we're going to use to top in a little bit. I'm gonna mix these together. And then just place this mixture on a Hawaiian roll, which are the perfect size for little ones to handle. Top it with our family cheddar cheese, a slice of pineapple, and lettuce. Just like that, it's simple and you're ready to go for the picnic. Brooke, are you gonna show us how to make salsa?
Yeah, so I've got a great solution for adding fruit to your meal. We're gonna start with making a fruit salsa. You're gonna add 2 cups of strawberry, 2 cups of blueberry, and 2 cups of jicama. Now jicama is a little bit awkward for me to cut up, so with a little one at home nearly crawling around, I like to find any solution that's gonna help me and make it as easy to move as possible. So I use the Fresh Divide in Family Fare's local produce section. So what I did is brought the jicama to the counter, had them slice and dice it, and I was on my way.
That is such a great reminder. I love Fresh Divide. It's such a time saver.
It is, it is. So you're gonna mix in all of your fruits, then you're gonna add in your half a cup of freshly chopped cilantro, 2 juiced limes, and then salt to taste. So once that's all mixed up, you're gonna pour it into your serving tray, and then we're gonna move on to the chips that you'll eat with it. So I recommend Our Family tortilla chips, and then Full Circle's blue corn chips. It adds a nice patriotic feel to the table. Or you can do some veggie chips as well.
I can't wait to try that. It is so simple.
I know, it's great.
Should we get to dessert?
Let's do it.
Okay. My kids love this Rice Krispie roll-up. It's so easy to make. You can make it the night before and it travels great for your picnic. We've already pre-formed the Rice Krispie roll section, and we've combined marshmallows, butter, and peanut butter with 5½ cups of the Rice Krispie cereal. And then Brooke, what do you have?
Yeah, so right now I'm stirring up the pre-mic'd, I mic'd it for 2 minutes, the chocolate chips, butterscotch chips. And then once it's smooth like this, we're going to spread it on top of this cereal mixture. And we're gonna leave just a little bit of a border around so that it doesn't all fall out when we roll it. So once you've got it all spread on, you're gonna start to form it. So you're gonna roll it up just like a yoga mat. And it's a little bit finicky, but you just keep it tight, and then once you get to the end, you're gonna keep the seam side down and then put it in the refrigerator for about an hour.
And voila, we have one already set and sliced and ready to eat. You wanna try one?
Yes, please. Perfect.
We hope these simple recipes give you more time to spend outside with your family this 4th of July. Visit shopfamilyfare.com to get all of these recipes.
Yeah, and don't forget to pick up a centerpiece in our floral department, just like this rose globe right here.
That's so simple. You don't even need a vase or water. It's ready to go.
It's perfect.
See, the one thing
Why do they do this
to us? The one thing you didn't see was a stove or a grill. See how nice that was? No slaving over that. Remember, to see what's on sale this week or to check out those recipes and even more of them, just head to shopfamilyfare.com.
I need that sweet treat in my life right about now. Next on